This video is just to quickly show you that on the previous video we were looking at like a comparison between a CV value and a specific integer being 5. But in this case we have two CV values. So as long as the values are the exact same data type, then you're perfectly fine to compare the two. So in this case we're comparing the CV value from the first counter to the CV value from the second counter. Anytime that they are equal, then this Q0.0 is going to turn on. Right, so I have different inputs here, CTU1 input, CTU2 input, and then they're sharing the reset push button for each of them. And both of them have a preset value of 5 here. So with this one, if I was to increment up, like obviously these are both at 0, so they're equal. If I increment the first one up by 1, then they're no longer equal, and this is no longer true. As soon as I increment the second guy up by 1, then they're then equal again. So it doesn't matter what the value is on each of them, right? I can go up to 5 there. The Q is set here for this guy. And now if I go to the second input, then obviously I have to get it to 2, 3, 4, 5 for the Q to set and for both of them to be equal again. Okay, with this circuit, the reset push button resets both of them, and obviously they're equal again. So quick little demonstration on how you can use two different inputs, and as long as they are the same data type, then you can use them and do a comparison in order to turn something on or turn alarms on or sequence the next portion of your program. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.